Alright, ladies and gentlemen, many of y'all have met the Keto Brick crew, many of y'all have not. But this video is for everybody to know where their bricks come from. We live in a land of happy brick makers here at Keto Brick. So I want you to meet every single one of these. These are like my Oompa Loompas almost. So feel free, meet the Keto Brick team, and enjoy.
I'm Kayla, and I've been here since May of last year.
I'm Corey. Been here for about 3-4 months now.
I'm Trish Hogan. I've been here since September of last year.
I'm Dylan, and I've been here since October.
Next question.
Yes.
So I have been keto since January 2nd, and I just think it's good for my schedule. I'm in nursing school as well, so it's just good for my schedule. It's convenient. I can eat. I'm not starving all the time. I can just grab a quick meal, and it's plenty. And my biggest change since I've been keto is that my focus is way better with my studying, and my energy is like consistently good. Like I don't have this like crash off carbs and then I'll have energy and then crash again. So.
I've been keto since November the 8th. My motivation for keto is thinking more clearly, my sleep patterns, getting them under control, and my biggest change, my workouts. They tend to, what, am I moving too much? My workouts, they're progressing, but I feel like just my study patterns and I'm totally messing up right now, so can we start over? I'm done, go ahead, Trish.
Okay, I've been doing keto for 2 years, and what I love the most about it is mental clarity and energy. I love that I do not have to meal prep. I love the way the food tastes, and the motivation behind my running and how much better that I perform with it. Energy, sleeping is wonderful. Keto's the way to go.
I've been keto for a few months now. I'd have to say the biggest change would be weight. Lost a lot of weight. Fat to fit. Helps also, I'm waking up at a decent time instead of noon. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning, which is nice, full of energy, ready to come to work.
I really want to do a competition next spring, maybe with school willing. So right now I'm just working out a ton and trying to learn how to track my food good and what's good and what's bad, and yeah, those just goals for now.
My goals, I want to compete in the all-natural 2020 physique bodybuilding competition next year, and really going forward that I want to keep tracking my macros and see where that goes from there.
Okay, one of my goals, the main goal, is I'm a keto coach, and anyone that I can help that has a metabolic syndrome and I can turn their life around, if it's one person at a time, that's my biggest goal. And then I qualified for Boston in 2020, and this year was the first marathon that I did fat adapted, and I do want to try a 50-mile endurance race and see how I can do with that.
Yeah.
My goals, obviously to continue losing weight, get in better shape, and I would really like to be a keto health coach, like everybody else, it seems. So I can help other people get out of that physical rut that I've been stuck in for so long, and help other people change their life.
Alright, and my favorite thing about working here is I love the people I work with. We have a good time. We all fight and get mad at each other every now and then, but really, these are my people for sure.
Same. Another positive though, a gym's right next door, and I can just walk about 30 feet and be in the gym. I'm done.
Okay, for me, when I first started, besides Crystal and Robert, I was the only one keto here, and I love seeing that these guys have went keto finally. I love it.
I'd have to say my favorite thing back here, not being cheesy, is Robert and Crystal. I've got to learn a lot, and if I wouldn't have been working for them, I wouldn't have made a healthy lifestyle change, and I wouldn't have made probably any changes. So I'd have to say Robert and Crystal.
All right, y'all, so that is our crew. We love these guys. We're all one big happy family here. We do have our moments, but we love what we're doing. We love every day. Like, I legitimately have not felt this fulfilled in any kind of career path in my entire life. Like, we come here, I mean, Crystal and I live here, but we come here, we make these bricks, we do business, but we're all working together as a cohesive team. We're doing like these morning meet and greet keto lessons now. We all work out together on occasion. Like, it's truly the most fun atmosphere I can ever hope to work in and provide a product for y'all. So thank you for making this possible. You got any words, Crystal?
I don't have any words, but I'm here. I really do. I love these guys. I mean, you guys have heard me a million times in all these videos. We love these guys. We are all a pain in each other's butts, but we love each other more, and we are becoming more and more of a family every day.
Yes. So on that note, we'll see y'all next time. We'll let you know when this crew makes more bricks. When those bricks are ready, rest assured they're all made with love. Isn't that right, Joe?
That's right.
Yes.
That's right. See y'all later.
It's kind of like the end of the movie where they show all the bloopers.
But you're starting off like that.
First question.
All right.
He's just nervous.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then Robert's getting on the table.
Yes.
You see me?
This thing's rocking.
Is it good?
All right, yeah.
You wanna ask
Are
Robert
y'all
and Crystal?
seriously like putting that on there? I messed up so bad.
It's fine.
No, it's not.
He's a master editor.
Yeah,
Yes.
he'll let it.
Yeah.
Are ready?
Who's your favorite employee?
This way a little bit.
Let's start off with the
Jack.
He doesn't
Yeah.
care. He doesn't have a paycheck.
Love. You wanna get a? You wanna get a?
The whole time
You
he's
just
looking straight at the ground. Love.
Yeah.